Okay, back to business. Hit tab and go to edit mode, wireframe. I think the mesh should be a bit smaller, so I will scale it down and move it around. I'll tap A to deselect, hit B, drag to box select the top vertices, pull them down right about here. Hold Alt plus right mouse button to select the button. Hit S and drag towards the center to scale down. There we go. Okay, before I proceed any further, let me rotate the view about to make sure that the thickness is right. Right now the height and width looks fine, but I am in the side view, so I have no means to see the thickness or the Z dimension. Okay, looks fine. Let me go to solid view to double check. Okay, the proportions are fine. The reason I urge you to get into this habit is because it's very infuriating if you discover later that your model is too thick or thin. As a matter of fact, I made this mistake while I was preparing this lecture, and as you can see, it looks like an elephant has flattened it. I doubt this is useful for drinking or for holding water. I intended to delete it, but decided to keep it so you can guys see it, and who knows, could be useful. If I want to make a scene where a giant elephant stepped on it and flattened it into a pancake in a hilarious Tom and Jerry animation. Perhaps I should pop this into the oven and make a yummy cookie. Anyway, let's not digress. Okay, I think this is a fine choice as a building block with consistent dimensions. You can think of this stage as preparing the right clay ball for a pottery project. This will be my clay ball that I'll be kneading until it takes the base shape of a water jug eventually. Speaking of pottery, if you are a potter or familiar with it, I think you will love this course, especially the sculpting part. We will proceed to building our base geometry. See you there.